Oh, Gabby, you're painting.
I need water. I'm going to do my masterpiece. I need water.
What kind of a masterpiece?
I don't know what's going to be in it. I'm going to figure it out.
All right.
Can I come by? Not yet. Not until this is come. I need more green.
Hannah, don't. Don't fall.
I got her hair.
Say hi, Sophie. Say hi.
I'm gonna make orange.
Say I'm here too. Oh, that's pretty.
I'm gonna pretend I'm a zombie.
Don't get it in your eyes.
I need red. I need red.
Yeah.
Oh, weird one. Hey, Mom!
Cute. Caleb's got his war paint on.
What?
He's got his war paint on. He's an Indian.
It's my dog.
Oh, wow. We're painting our hair. Wow. That sounds fun, huh? Okay, it's video.
I'm gonna do it in your armpit. I did it in your armpit.
You guys are getting messy.
I'll do it in mine. No, in real life I stuck it up her back and then got her armpit.
Hannah.
I need no paint.
I wish we had paintballs.
Paintball guns.
Whoa. Who are these people? Don't paint my bench. Don't get it in the eyeballs.
I don't have any more paint.
It's all over your nose. Caleb, please don't get hurt. Guys, go back out there in the grass.